29. Bacolod getting a stop on the first possession. Dalisay also had 9 points in the first half. Galman rising up for the three. He backs it in. Plus a foul. He backs it in. Plus a foul.
Galman had an excellent start. First 7 points in the first quarter, had 2 in the second, total of 9. Has a chance to go to 13. Nasa 12 na siya ngayon because of this. Jamal Crawford, the 4-point play. Crawford kasi.
Hindi niya nakumpleto pero nakuha niya yung rebound. Kent Giab swings it. Marjon Wahing steps back. 3-point shot again for Bacolod.
Bigat 6 points na kuha nila sa isang possession lang.
They are shooting 7 out of 19 from behind the arc.
Because of that, lamang na sila.
MJ Hoson stop in his tracks. He passes it out. 3-point shot to counter for Ray Publico.
Mon sa 4 pero mukhang 3 niya ngayon. Wing niya ngayon si Kobe Mon. Kasabay si Baguno sa 4, Publico sa 5. All 5 black shirts can stretch the floor and can drive the basketball tulad ng ginawa ni Ray.
Hoson, one-hander. Gets that one in.
Do that.
Barely crossing the half-court line. Wahing pulls the trigger. Masyadong malakas. Publico the rebound.
Was able to knock down 2 3-pointers in the first half, but missed the first one here in the third quarter, and it leads to an easy layup by Rosalyn.
15 points. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Quezon City. Kents Jokno now in the game. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Kobe Monhe buries a tray from the right wing. Dalisay will swing it to Galman. 7 seconds on their shot clock. Pulling up, fading away, making it look easy. Eman Galman.
Walang masyadong lift sa tira niya, no? And Kuya Kobe. At ang veterano, no? Kahit sa laro, may respeto. Publico, pangalawang 3 points na yan, ha? This time, top of the key naman. Relax ka lang.
Sige. Bola na agaw ni MJ Hoson. Buti na lang ito, batang-bata. Nahabol yung bola, laying it up in it. Off that blind pig action. Layup good from Kent Jokno. 61-51. Sumugod si Galman. 2 points. May kasama pang foul yan. Hindi pa. Last foul to give for Bacolod. Passed up on a 3. Now draws closer. Pulls up from around 18 feet.
For a mini jump fake. Again, the use of the shot fake by Costello. Ang ganda ng kanyang execution. Ito yun, no? Not only staying in the game, but leading the first 12-14 minutes of this game. Now they're down by 10. The last thing that you want is this game to break wide open. They need a basket right now. As in ngayon na. Dalisay.
Baka uminit si Mr. Pat Buena. Nakaisang tres na yan kanina si Pat Buena.
Did I mention, does anyone know that Sedelf's middle name is Casper? You know Casper, the friendly ghost?
Oh, diba?
Because he's everywhere. He's like a ghost.
Of course.
To chippy with you. Because sometimes yun lang ang nagiging solusyon. Dahil para mahinto ka.
Which leads me to a point with MJ Hoson because last game, Coach Chris,
Illegal.
as we have an illegal screen, tama ba? Maybe Dalisay, that's Galman. Lost it, got it back. Dalisay straight away 3. That's his 4th triple of the ball game.